Channel. What's up guys, this is Ron again from Ronan. For today's video, we will unbox this 5K pocket camera from Avidus K1. Without further ado, let's unbox this one. What really caught my eye, kasi kailangan namin ng pang vlogging or pang content creation with our businesses. So, we found this at an affordable price and kamukha kasi siya nung gamit nating na brand. So, yun yung ginagamit natin personally. But, syempre, kailangan natin ng para sa Steam or sa stock. So, nakita natin to and now we will try it. So, this is the one. Baka mahulog. Wow. So, may mga freebie siya sa loob, no? So, first off, we have this one. So, this is a pouch again. Color silver and then velvet siya. Lambot. We have the charger, Type-C. Sobrang nice. We have here yung mount. So, this is a mount. Yan, pang tripod. So a strap, we have strap here also. We also have here a mic with charger na Type-C din. Plus accessories. This is the unit itself. Wow, grabe. Parang ito yung gamit natin pocket ah. Tiyana! Wow. Grabe, liit lang no? Kaya nga mag-capture ng 5K. Meron siya dito sa lower part. Is dyan mo ilalagay yung memory card mo. Again, may specific memory card for action cameras or cameras like this one for vlogging. Tapos may power button here and then may menu. Tapos may click dito sa gitna. So, open natin, no? Siya nang... Andito lang ang screen niya. So, may sounds yan. Kita niyo ba yung mukha ko? Kalikutin ko lang, no? So, this is in 5K. Yan. So, this is how it looks. So, wala kasi pa tayong memory card para makapag-record tayo with this one. But once na dumating na yung memory card natin, we will do another video with this. Yung kung ano yung output niya and then using outdoors for vlogging. So, as you all know, we have our this brand DJI Pocket Osmo 3 Creator Combo. So, mas maliit ito, no? Right now, ito yung gamit ko na camera. So, mas maliit itong 5K na to na pocket cam. So, sobrang handy. Ang ganda nito. Kasi kapag nag-vlog ka using this one, hindi siya nakakailang for other people. Hindi ka tulad pag cellphone na ang laki. So, ganyan. For example, yung phone mo, ginaganyan mo, halatang halata. But this one, hindi siya ganun ka-intimidating. So, that's why we are using like this na pocket camera. So if you want to try this, you can check the yellow basket here or here.